Workflow at a standstill because of the JetBrains ReSharper plugins, F# Fantomas Protocol.dll DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix JetBrains conflict for good. Before we begin our JetBrains ReSharper plugins F# Fantomas protocol module troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the JetBrains ReSharper plugins F# Fantomas protocol module, part of the JetBrains F plugin that manages the localized communication between the IDE and the Fantomas code formatter. While primarily for devs, its absence can cause Visual Studio to display plugin load failure pop-ups every launch after a botched update. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like JetBrains, ReSharper plugins, F# Fantomas protocol module. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including JetBrains, ReSharper plugins, F# Fantomas protocol module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for JetBrains ReSharper plugins, F# Fantomas, Protocol Module DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on JetBrains ReSharper plugins, F# Fantomas protocol module. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for JetBrains ReSharper plugins, F# Fantomas protocol module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.